Now students, let us come to the question number 10 where we have to fill in the blanks. Now as we know that both these numbers are negative, and we know that the concept of negative is same as that of the multiplication, and on dividing the result will be the same. So my answer comes out to be equals to 32. Now here by which number I should divide by the my negative 2. So the results comes out to be 22. As we know that division is there it has to be a bigger number. So the multiple of 22 will be equals to 44. So since I require my answer in a positive, so my answer here will be equals to minus 44. Here by which number I should divide such that the result comes out to be the same, but it should have a minus sign. Definitely it has to be a minus 1. Here by which number in the D part which should I divide such that the results comes out to be minus 1. So I have to divide by 612 itself, positive 612. Here by which number I should divide so that the results comes out to be equals to 210, which is a positive answer. So here I have to take a negative number. So here I have to take minus 2100. Out of that 10 will get cancelled and my result will be coming out to be 210. That is minus 2100. Now here by which number I should divide such that the results comes out to be 48, which is a positive result, so has to be a minus 1. In question number 11, we have to fill the sum with the shapes, and with some integers. It's a rectangle. You can select any number. It's your choice because it's an activity based question. So if I select the rectangle with the number 2, circle with the number minus 3, and a hexagon, it's having a 6 side with a number 5. You can fill these blocks with these numbers. It's your choice on both sides, left hand side as well as on the right hand side. Here we have to evaluate each expression and compare the result from the left hand side to those with the right hand side. Definitely we know that this comes to be a commutative property of multiplication, where the order, in any order you multiply, the results comes out to be same. So it will be coming out to be a true statement. Here it is, this again will be coming out to be a true statement because it's we are applying here associative property. And here the division sign, as the division sign comes, it tells that no rule will be applicable and the left hand side and right hand side will be different. So we will not be able to verify these two property, the last two ones. Now we come to the question number 12, where a helicopter is flying 150 meter above the sea level. The word here is very important, above the sea level, and detects a submarine. If the submarine is 29 meter below, the word below is coming here. And what is the vertical distance between the helicopter and the submarine? As we know that the bigger distance minus the smaller distance will be done. That will give you the distance between both the case. Here, so here 150 minus in the bracket minus 29. That means 2 minus sign will be coming out to be positive, and the results will be 150 plus 29. You calculate and give your answer in terms of meter. In question number 13, here we have to divide by a number such that the results comes out to be a positive number. Definitely it has to be a minus 1. In question number 14, here it says the following table of the maximum minimum temperature of a city for 5 different days have been taken. Here we have to calculate the temperature difference. Again the word difference is coming. In the case of difference, always a bigger number is subtracted from the smaller number. Here minus 1 is a bigger number and minus 12 is a smaller number. So we have to subtract minus 1 minus in the bracket minus 12. So these two minus will be coming out to be positive, and my result will be coming out to be 12 minus 1, which is equals to 11. Same thing here, 9 minus minus 5. So the results will be coming out to be 9 plus 5, which is equals to 14. Here 0 plus 3. Here minus 1 plus 6. So result will be 5. And 15 minus 4 comes out to be equals to 11. Here you have to calculate which is the greatest and which is the least one. Least means the smallest one. After the calculation you will come to know. Now coming to the question number 15. The day's temperature in the desert rose by 2 degrees Celsius between 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. and then rose by another 6 degrees Celsius between 7 and 10 a.m. The temperature at 10 was 35, and they are asking what is initial temperature at 6 a.m. So what is the difference rows? The word they are using here, the rows, that means there is an increase of 2 and increase of 6 degrees there. So total comes out to be equals to 8 degrees Celsius. Now they are asking the initial temperature, so 35 minus 8, which comes out to be equals to 27 degrees Celsius. That was the temperature at 6 a.m. Complete this work in your classwork copy, and if you have any problem, then I will show you the solution of each and every question.